I came to Truly Dental because I was let down so many times with my other dentist. I was left with no teeth for over 6 years. I was very sick, and I happened to be walking past one day with my little girl, and we come in and we met Gail, and that was it. I had the all on 4 upper and lower teeth in a day. Having tea, being able to smile, not having to wear a mask, being able to eat, not getting sick, just being healthy again. Get it done. Get it done. I love it. Everybody here is just really friendly and they've changed my life. 1,000,000%, yeah.